What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. Should I bring that sand back? I think I should, because we're gonna be bringing out world's largest fire striker on a grinder. Film it with slow motion camera at about 1000 fps because it's pretty dark and rainy. Why not have some fun? Boring day, make it exciting. So we turn it on and see what will happen, how easy it is to start a fire onto the grinder. See how many sparks will come out. This is for the comparison. This is normal striker, still a lot of sparks, right? This is world's largest. Look at that, it just flares everywhere. So I'm really curious what will happen when we attach it to the grinder over here, sharpener. That's huge, isn't it? Look at that. And there goes nothing. Wow, that's black. That would be too easy to start a fire. Okay, that's kind of beautiful, but you know what? Almost overexposed, so we could probably film a fire like that at nighttime pretty easily and make it a little darker, no problem. So I'm gonna save this. So I think I'm gonna do this again, but maybe at 5000 frames per second because the sparks flying really fast. Okay, this side here at 4000 frames per second, the quality will be pretty good. Let's do this. Look at this spark. There you go. Whoa! That's insane. There you go, the corner where it's at. Okay, let's react to it, see what it looks like in slow motion. Wow, yeah, that's a lot more spectacular. That is awesome. Now you can see actual each little spark separately because it's not so overexposed. That's cool. Wow. Ooh, that is even better. It's hitting these little sparks everywhere. It looks like a liquid. I mean, I got what I wanted to see. I wanted to see how it's going to look like in slow motion. That's where it's at. Looks like beautiful fireworks, sparklers. So many cool sparks like exploding everywhere. I love it. This is right here why I love slow motion. It looks so good. I can look at it all day. It's mesmerizing. So there you go. Hopefully I come up with more cool ideas. There's one of them. I think I'll bring back that world's biggest striker for other ideas. That was definitely a cool one for sure. Well guys, that was a lot of fun for the rainy day. Let me know in comments below what you want to see next. It doesn't mean it's going to be slow motion every time, but I want to have fun with my videos again, not just unboxing and reviews, which is also fun. I'll do some of those sometimes as well, but just not as much. We'll just mix it up, see if you guys like different content, whatever I'm gonna come up with. So anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.